Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's only been like, just 3 weeks since I've filmed anything really. We had a ball in Georgia. That place was just unbelievable. Check my vlog out. It was amazing. And now I'm back filming another makeup tutorial. So let me shut up and let's just get right into it. Today I will be using the new Urban Decay Born to Run palette. She looks like a this. And these colors are speaking to me. This looks like a beautiful palette to work with. And I know that I typically go to like pinks and oranges and browns and things like that. So I'm gravitating more towards this side. So if you would like to see what I come up with, then keep on watching. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with some concealer. You know the drill. For the first shade I'm going to go in with, I think it's going to be, let's go in with Riff, which is this shade right here. It'll be a nice little transition shade. And take that on a big fluffy brush and just start to blend that in my crease up to my brow bone. And if you watch my videos, you know that I like to start patting and then I start swiping. So the next shade I'm going to go in with is Blue Sky, and I'm going to take that on my ring finger and place that on the inner corner of my eye. Oh, that is pretty. I'm taking a break from nails again. They are tearing my nails up, my natural nails up. So no nails for the next couple weeks. That is pretty. I really, really like that. And then the next shade I'm going to go in with is Wanderlust right here. And I'm going to place that more in the middle. There's no T in there. Middle of my eye. Oh yeah, baby. And then the shade I'm going to use on the outer part of my eye is called Radio. I'm actually going to take that shade more on a brush and start to pat that on the outer part of the eye. And now I'm just going to go back in with a fluffy brush and take that Wanderlust green color and start to swipe it up here a little bit just to blend and get more precise with the shade and blend these two together as well as these two, so on the outer and inner corner, and then just kind of go over top of everything very lightly and blend the edges. That is so pretty. And then I'm going to take, what should I take on the inner corner? Then I'm going to take some Stranded and pop that on my inner corner. I do feel like I need to blend a tad more just right up here. Just a tad. Now I'm going to take some Fenty Beauty Flyliner. I love this eyeliner. It is the easiest eyeliner for someone like me who sucks at winged liner. I'm not necessarily going to do a wing, but it's just so easy to work with, and the pigmentation and the longevity of this eyeliner is just unbelievable. Here's what this eye looks like as of right now. Voila. I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye off camera, apply some lashes, and be right back. Am I doing SMAR? Is that what it's called? Water's just flying everywhere. Yes, this is how big my water bottle is. I try to drink 2 of these a day. This is 50.7 fluid ounces. That's a lot of water. Now that my eyes are on, I swear to you, I blend so long that I start blending the eyeshadow away. Like, I have a problem. I think it does get to a point you can overblend. Just saying. For primer today, I'm going to use the Cover FX Blurring Primer, as well as, you already know, my Smashbox Photofinish Primer Water. I like to start tapping it in. Just tapping in. Tap, tap, tap-a-roo. And then I kind of start to rub it in. I lost my tweezers. So I lost 2 pair of tweezers within the past month. So I have not been able to tweeze my eyebrows, so they're a little cray-cray. But actually it's kept me from over-tweezing them, because over the years, I have definitely over-tweezed them. So they're grown out a little bit. I can't hate on that. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Matte. For concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Age Rewind. This is in the shade Ivory. Since I have not worn makeup in like 2 to 3 weeks, my skin is loving me. I'm going to set that with the Maybelline Loose Fit Me powder. This is in the shade Fair Light. Ooh, the beauty community right now is lit! It just sucks that the beauty community is just filled with drama. That's all I'm really gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm using the MAC Studio Fix powder in NW25. I'm basically just sitting. I'm basically just setting the rest of my face. I think I'm going to go back and revisit the eyes for a second. I'm going to, let's do this. I'm going to take Wanderlust and smoke out my lower lash line. I'm going to go back in with Stranded, which is this shade right here, and re-highlight my inner corner. I haven't done my brows yet, but I'm going to go ahead and highlight here as well. Just going to kind of fix my eyeliner up here, as well as tight line. I'm going to take some of this Flyliner on my lower waterline, but I'm going to have to bend down to do this, so give me a second. My eyes are pissed. For mascara, I'm going to use the Benefit Roller Lash, as usual. I don't think I can ever do eye makeup without my eyes watering. It's like impossible. I think for a little pop of glitter, because those shadows are shimmer shadows, so they have some shimmer in them. I'm gonna take NYX Liquid Crystal Eyeliner. This one is in Aqua Blue, I believe. And just take a tad and put it right here, just where that other aqua is, just for a little oomph. Just right there. But I don't really want it to look like I'm cutting the crease with it, you know what I mean? It's just like to just let it stand out a little bit. Just like that. For bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. After I contour, I just like to go in with a big fluffy brush and just blend, just so it's not so harsh. For blush, I'm going to use the Morphe 9B palette, and I'm going to mix a couple of these, whatever. And for highlight, I'm going to go in with the Ofra Beverly Hills highlight. And I like to just mix this one with a little bit of the white. For lips, I'm going to keep it simple because I'm a simple bitch. And just put on the NYX Intense Butter Gloss in Peanut Brittle. Ooh, I need them brows on. And then to set my face, I'm using the Ofra Makeup Fixer Setting Spray. Here is my final look with brows on. And brows were not cooperating today. What I did do off camera, other than my brows, is I did add a little bit of this Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Verona just to darken my lips a little bit. Totally went for more of a fall vibe, fall vibe, but I'm loving it. As for the Urban Decay Born This Way, is it? No. Born to Run, Born This Way, Born to Run. Born to Run palette. I am definitely loving this palette. I did only use 5 shades in it. It did have a little bit of fallout, but not enough for me to be like, don't get this palette, it's terrible. I think the pigment's there. They blended so easily. There's definitely some other looks I would like to try with this palette. So I think there'll be more use out of this palette on my channel, that's for sure. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And make sure you hit that bell so you get all my notifications. And I will see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching.